Student, now today we learn about the measuring mass. Measurement of mass or weight. At the same time, to measure weight, we use grams and kilograms. A gram is used to weigh light objects like about 100 gram, then 50 gram, etc. Then what about kilogram? A kilogram is used to weigh heavier object. A bunch of banana is about 1 kilogram. A set of books is about 2 kilogram. Here G denotes gram and kg denotes the kilogram. Here are some standard measures of mass: 10 kg, 5 kg, then 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 gram and 250 gram. 50 gram, 20 gram, 10 gram, 5 gram and 1 gram. The different kind of machines are balance and weighing machines. Here is relation between kilogram and gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 100 centigrams. Now student, I am going to explain the exercise on measuring mass, page number 127. Now look at the picture. The man weighs more than the boy. The man is heavier and the child is lighter. So the heavier object showing in the picture in below side and the lighter object are above side. So in the next picture also same. The apple weighs less than the pumpkin. The apple is lighter and the pumpkin is heavier. The pumpkin is heavier, so showing in the picture it is in below side and the lighter objects are above side. Now in the next picture the children weighs the same. And here the apple and the bananas weigh the same. Both are objects having the same weight. Now in the exercise, complete the balance to show which side is heavier. I already explained that the heavier objects are in downside and the lighter objects are in above side. So here you can show the heavier object and lighter object. So first already done for you, student. So in the next number, you have to show the object, heavier object and the lighter objects, and here the two objects are given and here is the one object. So this is the heavier and this is the lighter, and the heavier object you have to show downside. So here you have to show and this is the lighter. Now in the third picture, again you have to write here, this is the lighter object and this is the heavier. So heavier objects is in the downside so you have to show the downside. Now in the last picture, it's a heavier object and it's lighter. So this is heavier object, show its downside. So in this way you have to complete the page number 27. Now we turn to the next exercise, that is on page number 128. And here I already explained that the 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And in short form, the G for grams and kg for kilograms. Some weights are shown here. This is the 5 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg, and this is 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram and 500 gram. Now in the exercise, we have to write the weight. The first already done here, and here the weight is 500 gram and 200 gram. So we have to add the both weight 500 gram plus 200 gram and is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7. So 700 gram. Now in the next, here the weight is 50 gram. So you have to write here 50 gram plus 100 gram. And the answer is 150 gram. The next is T weight 200 gram plus 50 gram. So 200 gram plus 50 gram. And the weight is 250 gram. The next is noodles weight is 50 gram plus 50 gram and plus again 50 gram. So the total weight is 150 gram. And now next two students, you have to do yourself and complete the page number 128. Now in the exercise on page number 129, the question number 1 is ring the correct weight. And here the some objects weight are given and you have to write the correct weight. Here the 100 gram and now you have to write its correct weight. So 50 gram plus 50 gram is equal to 100 gram. So we have to circle the 50 gram plus 50 gram. Now in the second picture, the object's weight is 450 gram. So we have to write here 450 gram. So 200 plus 200 is 400. So we have to circle this weight and the 50 grams. So we have to circle the 50 gram. Now the next is 8 kg. So here we have to circle 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have to circle the 5 kg, 1 kg and the 2 kg. Now the next is 400 gram and now here we have to circle the 400 grams. So 200 plus 100 is 300 and the 50 plus 50 is again 100. So 200, 100 that is 300 and 50 gram plus 50 gram is 100, that is the total 400 gram. Now in question number 2, again the question is add. So you have to add the 18 kg plus 23 kg. So 8 plus 3 is 11 and the 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. That is 41 gram. The next is 75 kg plus 25 kg. So 5 plus 5 is 10, that is 0. 1 carry you have to write here. Then 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. That means the answer is 100 kg. Then the next is D, E and F you have to do yourself. Now the number G is 332 kg plus 279 kg. Now 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 carry you have to write here. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 7 is 11. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. And the answer is 611 kg. Now the next problem is 496 gram plus 385 gram. Now you have to plus here. 6 plus 5 is 11. So write here 1 and 1 carry you have to write here. 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. So 1 carry you have to write here. Then 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Then our answer is 881 gram. Now the third question is subtract. And here we have to subtract 64 minus 43 gram. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 6 minus 4 is 2, that is 21 gram. Now 88 kg minus 49 kg. 8 minus 9 it is not possible, so we have to borrow 1 from this 8. So here 7. Now 18 minus 9 is 9 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 49 kg. The next is 123 gram minus 57 gram. 3 minus 7, again it is not possible, so we have to borrow 1 from the 2. So here the 1 and here you have to write the 13. And 13 minus 7 is 6. 1 minus 5, again it is not possible, so again we have to borrow. So here you have to write the 0 and here write 11. Then 11 minus 5 is 6 and here is 0. So our answer is 66 gram. Now number E, 270 gram minus 56 gram. 0 minus 6, it is not possible, so here you have to write 10 and here 6 because we have to borrow from the 7. Now the 10 minus 6 is 4 and 6 minus 5 is 1 and here is 2. So our answer is 214 kilogram. Now the F and G do yourself, and the number H, 900 gram minus 462 gram. Here the 0 minus 2, it is not possible, but here is also 0, so we have to borrow from the 9. So I write here 10 and here 8. Now again we have to borrow that from the 10, so I write here 10 and here is the 9. Now the 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 6 is 3 and the 8 minus 4 is 4 and the answer is 432 gram. So student, in this way you have to complete the page number 129.